It's the second race day of Red Bull Romaniacs. And it's the toughest day. Bikes and bodies pushed harder than ever. Who has what it takes? At the start of day 2, Romaniacs is finally poised. The top 5 is separated by 13 minutes. But today's course is a chance for the leading riders to show their ability. Graham Jarvis, the overnight leader, will start with a target on his back, the first man away. But the rider setting the early pace is Andreas Lessenbichler. The German veteran is pushing hard and leads around checkpoint 4. But as the track gets tougher, Letty starts to struggle. And it's much worse than he realises. He's missed a checkpoint. His podium hopes are over. Walker and Jarvis close behind are at the front. They've pulled a big gap. This is the fight for the win. Both riders know the smallest of errors could cost them the title. Jarvis is struggling with the GPS. But now he's caught Walker, and the fight is on. With Letty out the running, there's now a close battle for third as well. Alfredo Gomez and Paul Bolton are also wheel to wheel. Back at the front, Walker and Jarvis ride seconds apart, right to the end. But Walker is the happier man. He takes the win on day 2 and also moves into the overall lead. Jarvis arrives seconds later.
I only got away from Graham maybe a few miles from the end. I took a lot of risks on the fast stuff, I'm not going to lie. I proper did risk everything I had for moments, but you know, I had to try and push as I could to get some time on him.
It's razor tight at the top, 3 minutes between Walker and Jarvis, but now they're in a fight of their own. Alfredo is only 42 seconds clear of Bolton in third. Join us for race day 3. The fight couldn't be closer for the title. Remember, you can see the full extended highlights on Red Bull TV from July 27.